All right, guys, moving into question 9. It's all about apoptosis. So in apoptosis, ask yourself, what do we know about apoptosis and what actually aligns with the given answers? Again, it's that exam logic. So a cell rapidly divides and releases antibodies. Well, we know apoptosis is programmed cell death, and it's all about breaking down cellular components that are programmed to do so, such as when we're actually forming our fingers. So when we got there, A is actually not correct. A cell rapidly divides and releases antibodies. It's got nothing to do with apoptosis. An inflammatory response is initiated by cell fragments. Well, again, it's nothing to do with programmed cell death. C, nuclear material and organelles are broken down. Well, that seems to be the case because we know that is cell death accordingly. So C looks to be the right one. D, DNA is replicated. Well, no, you're actually breaking material down, so D is not right. C is correct. 86% of individuals got that. So it sort of looks like a pretty easy question to roll through. Going to 10, a little bit more writing here. In the disease multiple sclerosis, the myelin sheath, so that seems important to me, surrounding the axons of neurons is broken down. One of the symptoms of multiple sclerosis is the weakening of muscles. So what would cause this weakening? So let's go through and think about what is the myelin sheath for? It's all about the speed of the action potential because it insulates the axon. So if that's the case, we want to look for something that has the effect of slowing the action potential down. And that is actually a reason why that particular weakening of muscles occurs. So let's look at A. The transmission of electrical impulses along the axons of the neurons is slowed. Well, obviously A is going to be one because it is slowed down. Without a myelin sheath, the action potential won't be able to propagate as fast. The size of electrical impulses, a myelin sheath has got nothing to do with the size. Neurotransmitter receptors on the muscle cells have become less sensitive. That's to do with synaptic transmission, nothing to do with the myelin sheath. And neurotransmitters are inhibited from traveling along the neurons. Well, then that's not actually the case either because we look at neurotransmitters in the synaptic cleft. So if we look at this, that's A, and then we push on from there.